Welcome to Animal Insights. I'm John, and on today's episode, we'll be discussing a small creature often considered repulsive, the cockroach. However, did you know that cockroaches actually have some fascinating and unique facts? Let's find out! Fact number 1. Cockroaches are one of the oldest groups of insects still existing today. They have been around for over 350 million years. That means they have been on Earth since the time of dinosaurs. Despite many people's dislike for cockroaches, we have to admit that they are incredibly resilient creatures, capable of surviving in various extreme conditions. Fact number 2. Cockroaches have an amazing ability to regenerate. If they lose their head, they can still survive for several weeks. This is because their nervous system is distributed throughout their bodies, unlike in humans where it is primarily located in the head. Additionally, cockroaches can regenerate lost body parts such as antennae or legs. Fact number 3, although cockroaches are often thought of as insects that cannot fly, some species of cockroaches do have wings and can fly. They use their wings to move quickly or escape from threats. However, most of the cockroach species found in our homes, such as the common household cockroach, are generally incapable of flight. Fact number 4, cockroaches undergo a process called molting, where they shed their old exoskeleton and replace it with a new one. This molting process allows them to continue growing and repair any damage to their exoskeleton. For a few hours after molting, the newly molted cockroaches are soft and pale in color, unlike the mature cockroaches we often see. Fact number 5, cockroaches are incredibly fast and agile insects. They can run at speeds of up to 3 miles per hour. Their legs, equipped with sharp claws, allow them to run on various surfaces, including walls and ceilings. There you have it, 5 unique facts about cockroaches. Although they are often considered pests, cockroaches play an important role in ecosystems. They aid in the decomposition process by consuming rotting organic matter, and they also serve as a food source for other animals, such as spiders and birds. However, it's still important for us to take steps to prevent cockroaches from infesting our homes. Cockroaches can carry bacteria and diseases that can have negative impacts on human health. So, maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in our homes is crucial in preventing cockroach infestations. Well, that wraps up today's Animal Insights. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting information about animals.